Hello YouTube, here's a old snowmobile I picked up today, 1974 I believe, lynx, Arctic Cat Lynx 292, not in too bad a shape. Tail light's broken, I'm going to clean it up a little bit more and get a speedometer on it showing 713 miles. Pretty good shape. I'll make a ski loop up for this here. Still get the things there for the fasten the hood down. This sat underneath a truck cap for 20 some years. I drove about 300 kilometers each way to go get this because it's only $100. There's lots of mice nests that needs cleaning up down in here. But I did pull the gas lines off the tank. Back in here, don't know if you can see. And I just extended them out. And it actually did pump fuel and it did actually start. About 6 pulls I think. So I do just a couple little things. The exhaust needs to be tightened up. Need a new plug cap. And just paint some paint, and there's a little hole in the seat here where the critters have made a house over the years. I'll fill it up with foam, patch it up, no big deal. The tank does need to be cleaned out. It is rusty. A couple nuts and bolts in there. Still has the key. Throttle's a little sticky. But I'm going to tear the carburetor off and put a kit in it. Clean it all up. Other than that, the seat's not too bad. It's missing the trunk lid. Well, it's pretty cool to see us had a speedometer. Track's not too bad. Does need slides. They're old and brittle. Track's not too bad. It's probably brittle too.